What kind of behavioral changes, both from a people as well as from a business perspective, did you observe in the first 30 days and 60 days, people in business?
Right. So I will actually, I have a slide where some of the comments from our people are captured. There's so many, but I could capture only a few. Um, However, one thing to point out is in the first 30 days, or the very first cycle. So we started off with the training sessions and coaching sessions and management training, and then the champions training and all of that. Let's say in November last year. And our goal was from January 1st, from Q1 of 2020, for us, Q1 starts on January 1st. From Q1 of 2020, we will be running an OKR methodology, right? Come rain, or actually, we didn't know COVID will come, but whatever comes, um, we will start with OKR. And we did. However, I must admit that in the very first cycle, our goals, our objectives were not as aspirational, right? We were still holding back a little, right? And I think it is okay to happen, right? It is a big culture shift. Um, so that was one thing that we thought we could have, done a little better. But I guess in hindsight, it's fine because it's a shift, as I said. Um, However, from then on, I think the alignment that people were seeing across, the fact that everybody is getting a 360-degree view of what's happening in a business unit, right from sales to product to finance to hiring team, everybody is aligned and everybody is going after the same thing. I think that these are some of the things. I'm stealing it from a colleague. Somebody said the OKR rhythm. In the first, I would say in the first 30 days also, we had the OKR rhythm going. One other thing I think we did was we did debate about this. Can we just live off of Excel sheets, right? But then we realized having a cloud-based tool, having the right visual representation, and as many people in the company have access to it, log onto it, update it, see it. I think that's going to be important. So that all of that started happening in the first 30 days. But by the second month, third month, people started realizing, and we designed it like that the OKRs are not impacting an individual's performance review, a performance rating, or compensation, right? So by the 60th day, by the 90th day, when the time came to decide the OKRs for the next quarters, people were taking on stretch goals. People were talking about how can I healthy competition, how can I be the star, right? So that I think started working really well. By the end of second month, third month, I think our cadence of check-ins had also become, I think, were in the rhythm again, if I can use the word. And it is very important, right? Whatever happens, we are not going to miss the check-ins, right? We were not going to not focus on the risks that might be there and the achievements that are out there. So shout outs and all of that at the right time. So this started happening in the first 30 to 60 days.